Exercise number 1. Cobra Pose. Lie flat on your stomach on the mat with your legs together and your toes extended. Position your hands right beneath your shoulders. Slowly press into your palms and straighten your arms, lifting your chest and upper body away from the floor. Tilt your head slightly backward while keeping your hips firmly grounded on the mat. We'll stay in this position for 30 seconds. Ready to begin? Let's do it! The Cobra stretch focuses on your shoulders, spine, chest, abdominal muscles, hips, and obliques. It gives your back a deep stretch and encourages flexibility between the vertebrae. Practicing this regularly can help improve posture and create the appearance of a taller frame. Only a few more seconds left. Great work! Exercise number 2. Seated torso twist. Sit comfortably on the floor with your spine straight and both legs extended in front of you. Cross your right foot over your left thigh and place it firmly on the ground. As you rotate your upper body toward the bent knee, place your right hand behind you on the floor and rest your left elbow against your knee for support. Hold this stretch for the next 30 seconds. Ready? Let's start. This movement stretches your back, abdominal muscles, and obliques. It activates your entire core area and can also contribute to better circulation and heart health. We're almost finished here. And done perfectly. Let's continue with the next move. Exercise number 3. Warrior Pose. Stand tall and step your right foot far forward. Extend your left leg behind you and angle your left foot about 45 degrees inward toward the center of the mat. Bend your front knee until it forms a 90 degrees angle, making sure your knee stays aligned over your ankle. From here, lift both arms toward the ceiling and maintain the position for 30 seconds. Okay, enough explaining. Time to begin. This pose works your hips, lower back, and abdominal muscles while strengthening your core. The deeper your lunge becomes, the more engaged your core muscles will be. Warrior Pose also helps improve balance and stability. And that's it. Take a deep breath as we prepare for the next exercise. Exercise number 4. Bridge Pose. Lie flat on your back with your knees bent and your arms resting beside your body. Gradually raise your hips toward the ceiling while pressing your feet and shoulders firmly into the floor. Continue lifting until your knees form a 90 degrees angle. Think you can maintain this pose for 30 seconds? Let's find out. This exercise is excellent for strengthening your glutes, legs, and abdominal muscles. It's especially effective for shaping and toning the buttocks. Another major benefit is relief from lower back discomfort. 3, 2, 1, and done. Exercise number 5. Side lunge. Begin standing upright. Step widely to the right and lower your hips until your knee bends to about a 90 degrees angle. Keep your knee directly above your foot. Your left leg should remain extended straight to the side with the foot flat against the floor. Lean your torso slightly forward and rest both hands on your bent knee. We'll hold this position for the next 30 seconds. Side lunges are great for your hip flexors, quadriceps, and hamstrings. Their primary focus is strengthening and toning the legs. All right, only 10 more seconds left. Excellent job. Exercise number 6. Inner thigh stretch. Sit upright on the floor with your back straight. Bring the soles of your feet together and pull them close toward your groin area. Using your forearms, gently press your knees downward until you feel a comfortable stretch. You know what comes next. 30 seconds starts now. Stretching the inner and outer thighs is essential for improving flexibility. This particular movement mainly targets your groin and inner thigh muscles. If flexibility is difficult for you right now, practicing this exercise consistently can make a huge difference. Only 5 more seconds remaining. Nicely done. Exercise number 7. Knee squeeze. Lie comfortably on your back. Pull both knees toward your chest and wrap your arms around them. You'll notice a gentle stretch, which is exactly what we're aiming for in today's routine. Let's hold the knee squeeze for a full 30 seconds. This movement works the muscles in your upper, middle, and lower back. It can also help reduce tension and discomfort around the knees when performed gently and carefully. Keep holding it just a little longer. And done. Let's move ahead. Exercise number 8. Tricep stretch. Stand upright with your feet shoulder-width apart and extend your arms overhead. Bend your right elbow and support it with your left hand. Carefully pull the elbow backward behind your head and hold the stretch for 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, begin. This stretch targets your triceps along with your back, shoulders, and abdominal muscles. It helps improve shoulder flexibility and increases range of motion. Keep holding for 10 more seconds. And stop. Take a quick breath before moving into our next fat-burning stretch. Exercise number 9. Sitting side bend. Sit comfortably on the floor with your legs crossed, or use a chair if that feels easier. Raise your left arm directly overhead and slowly lean toward the right side. If you feel a stretch along the left side of your body, you're doing it correctly. 30 seconds on the timer starts now. The sitting side bend works your obliques, back, shoulders, and abs. It's also known for calming the mind and easing stress or anxiety. Keep it going, you're doing amazing. and done. Stay strong. Only 3 exercises left. Exercise number 10, bow pose. Lie face down on your stomach and stretch your arms backward. Bend your knees and hold your ankles with your hands. Just like the previous exercises, we'll maintain this pose for 30 seconds. Ready? Let's go. Bow pose targets your abdominal muscles, back, and hips. While performing it, remember to keep the tops of your shoulders away from your ears. Practicing this regularly can improve posture and strengthen your core. Only 10 seconds remaining. And there you have it. What's your favorite way to stay healthy and active? Share it with us in the comments below. Don't forget to send this video to your friends. And subscribe to Tasty Truth for more health and fitness content.